Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right at the audio bubble. Open Messages to the conversation with the voice clip and press and hold that bubble. Once done, iOS shows contextual options. Don't tap away. If the clip is set to expire, your first quick action is tap Keep to prevent auto-delete. If there's no Keep option, choose More from the menu. This moves you to selection mode so you can export. Make sure the clip is selected before continuing to the export step. Once the message is selected, tap the share icon to open the iOS share sheet. This is the only reliable export path. Choose files to save into iCloud Drive or on my iPhone, or pick voice memos to import as an audio file. When saving to files, navigate into or create a folder and tap Save. Choosing an app like Notes or Mail will create a copy you can access outside Messages. Make sure you name the file or folder so you can After saving, immediately open Files or the app you used and play the clip to verify integrity. This confirms the export worked. Once confirmed, back it up to iCloud Drive or Air, drop it to your Mac for redundancy. If the voice message already expired and you can't access it, ask the sender to resend the message or check whether messages in iCloud retained it. If share options are missing, update iOS and retry. The share sheet can be limited on older builds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.